coming on the back of recent scams and corruption in the highest of places, well-known social activist Anna Hazare has renewed the call for setting up an independent anti-corruption watchdog, the Lokpal. A truly strengthened Lokpal, not just a symbolic Lokpal. It's the latest coming in on this story. The Prime Minister has now appealed to Anna Hazare to take back his indefinite fast call. As of now, Anna Hazare says, I'm starting a fast unto death for tomorrow for the institution of a real, strong and effective Lokpal to independently take on the menace of corruption and ensure the least amount of political interference.
These are the men who've shamed the nation. Men of power who've misused their position, sullied the post they held. So it's no wonder then when social activist Anna Hazare renews the fight against corruption, he's got the citizens' pulse.
जब तक लोकपाल बिल नहीं आएगा, तब तक मैं दिल्ली से रिटर्न नहीं जाऊंगा, चाहे उसमें प्राण भी चले जाए, परवाह नहीं.
Hazare and his supporters demanding the passage of the Lokpal bill to create an independent watchdog against corruption.
और जन लोकपाल बिल को अपनाएं, क्योंकि जो सरकार से लोकपाल बिल बना था, वो बिल्कुल रद्दी है.
कल 5 अप्रैल को सारा देश कम से कम एक दिन के लिए भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ उपवास रखे.
But the Lokpal bill has been pending for the last 42 years, lying in the cold storage in the absence of a political consensus.
It's a process which is playing itself out, and if there are opinions coming in, those opinions should not be treated as licensed.
Despite the call to the citizen, doubts remain on the independence of the Lokpal. After all, a similar body, the Karnataka Lokayukta, had to settle for limited powers after political pressure. Nevertheless, many would argue the Lokpal is the much-needed weapon the citizen needs to question those who abuse power. Bureau Report, Times Now.